Okay, now let us try to understand C++ programming language. For this I am using same IDE, that is what CodeBlocks. Okay, so CodeBlocks, once CodeBlocks is opened, so let us see. So CodeBlocks, we will use the CodeBlocks from starting. Understand, use the CodeBlocks from once it is installed. You need to click on this icon. CodeBlocks will be open. So once CodeBlock is you click on this installed CodeBlocks. Okay, okay, now click on this. Okay, this is what your CodeBlocks IDE, integrated development environment. It supports both the C and C++ to write the code. It is open source. Okay, I told you that IDE means integrated development environment to write the code, compile the code and execute the code, write the code and edit the code also. Writing, editing and compilation is to check for any errors. Okay, in the previous classes I have explained what is the difference between compilation and execution. Now I'm going to write the code for C++. Here you need to take new. Okay, and the project, under this click on this console application. Next, here you choose otherwise C++. I want to write the code for C++. Project title, you need to take a, so we need to create a folder first. Here I want to create a folder under this, where under the local disk. Okay, this is the C++. Already I have created a project C++. We will choose this one. Now come here and we need to choose the folder first. Where is the folder? In local disk C++. Okay, C++ folder, select that folder and C drive C++. Now project name, so take basics first. We will start from basics. So next, same, this compiler we will use for this C and C++, same GNU GCC compiler, finish. Now under the workspace you will get this basics project. Under this main.cpp, try to understand. For C you will get main.c, here main.c++, which will be part of your project. Now click on here, so you will get this type of code. Okay, this is the default code. Whenever you create any project, under that project you will get this main.cpp, because your function is equal to main. So .cpp, C++. So what do you mean of this? This is called include IO stream, means this is a header file library. It will deal with input output objects. Okay, here everything will be object. In C I told you that input output functions, but here I am stating that this is a library, header file library, which will deal with input output objects. Okay. After that, using namespace standard. What do you mean of this? Namespace standard means this line of statement, it will support to use names for the variables and objects. So this is a library. So standard std is a library. By this library we can use the names for variables and objects. by this standard std library. So this is the main function as in the what like in C also main function. So within the main function whatever the code we will write that will be executed. The return 0 means same in C also, so it indicates that main function is closed, means then after there is no any statement. Okay, this is the default statement. Okay, this is what insertion operator C out used to get the print statement on the screen. Okay, so so whenever I click on this, where is the button? This is what run button. Otherwise build go for, and you stop this one. After that you run build and run again. So it is what stating what. So first of all I need to resolve this issue. This is what execution of g++ dot exe val exceptions somewhat. Okay, this is error. So you copy this code, copy contents to clipboard, and you go for ChatGPT and you paste here. So you need to understand this one. So you run this, so it will explain that couldn't parse your authentication token, please try again. So you copy this one again, copy, and you regenerate, you paste here. Again ChatGPT, I want to click here, chartopenai.com, plan trip, login.